The challenge has been amazing. I've learned so much, and okay, before I was not getting the tweets, but now I've been able to get the tweet. I've been able to get the followers count, and I've been able to get the number of likes. So I just hope to continue and probably finish by tomorrow, so I can have Sunday to finish my report. So I'm trying to finish it very early enough so that I will not be under tension on Sunday to start looking forward to finish it. So I want to try and finish it maybe today or tomorrow. Well, and I would say it has been quite a learning process, trying to Google many things you don't know and learning new things every time. So it's been amazing, and people helping you too on the Slack channel, like even if you have questions, and I really want to appreciate the response I get when I ask questions on the Slack. So well, it's been amazing, and I'm really enjoying it. And I'm like, if this is the first week and we are doing this much, so I wonder how maybe week 10 will be, or maybe week 13. But it's been
Okay.
amazing. Thank
All
you.
right.
Thank
Sure.
you.
So any current challenges you're facing?
Okay, for now, no. Like I've been able to solve my challenges, so I'm just looking forward to. And okay, one thing I did that actually helped me was that I did not just when I saw the question, I didn't just rush to code. I had to take a jotter and analyze it. Okay, it's time. All right, no problem.
Olasho, so I have seen that you are asking if the video link will be available.
Yes, I missed the 11 o'clock section, the earlier section. So I was asking for the YouTube link.
Can you post this in the Slack channel so that um, the the community manager will see it and then work on it for you?
All right.
Sure.
All right. Thank you.
All right, Patrick.
Okay.
Okay, are you done?
Yes, I want to like encourage everyone that when we see a challenge, like when a challenge is posted, that we shouldn't just try to rush to solve it immediately, like try and start coding it.
Okay.
It's nice if we actually take a jotter and
Okay.
understand the challenge and write down.
We
So it helps. It helps
yeah,
you to progress faster than for you to just start rushing to just start coding it. No,
we will
because you get stuck. But try and
have to
analyze it.
work
Try
on
and
it.
look for yeah. So that's my thing. Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Patrick, would you like to go? Patrick Ojundi. Hello, Patrick. Are you there? Okay. Ayabila. Ayabila.
Yes, Sebastian.
Yes.
I'm here.
Would you like to share your experiences for the week? How far you are with the project, and any challenges that you are encountering?
Okay, not so much. Not too much progress. Not also too bad. I think I've also been able to do the first two parts of the challenge. So I'm also working on getting the various parameters from the tweet, and so not only just watching like the last speaker said. I'm trying to understand what's going on by learning from different places to understand before I approach the main task I have to do. So I hope I'll finish by tomorrow. If I'm not able to finish by tomorrow, I know Sunday I'll finish. So yeah, but the whole experience has been exciting, from web scraping to getting data from Twitter, which is something you know you can't imagine that you do it in 2 days. You know, so I think it's good. You guys are doing well, and we thank you for the support and all the guidance you guys do for us. So yeah.
Thank you very much. Claire Munyole, can we hear from you? Claire Munyole, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay.
So, so far I've been able to make significant progress, especially today, because I was having quite of a challenge understanding the instructions. But I think today I am somewhere better. I'm hoping by tomorrow to be able to do most of the analysis, then I can start plotting. But some of the challenges that I would say I'm facing is in the communication. I feel like sometimes communication is not really straightforward. There's a lot of information that gets lost. So as someone suggested in the Slack channel, if we could have just one channel where all the administrators can post all the important information so that there's not much confusion.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Sure. So on a scale of 1 to 10, where would you say you've reached in terms of completing the challenge?
I'd say 6.
Okay. And you are sure to finish by Sunday?
Yes.
Okay, fantastic, fantastic. Thank you very much for your contribution.
Okay.
Gerald Kuma.
Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah. So for me, the challenge so far so good. I've actually received a lot of help from the community, various people here, and also through Googling. So the challenge has been fair, and then I've been able to make
Him.
Yeah, but his voice is low. Please, can you speak loudly?
Yeah.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, we can hear you, but it's very low. It's very low.
Yes.
What about now?
Yeah, speak. Okay, Gerald, could you type your response in the chat? If you could type your response in the chat, I think it would be good. Okay. Let's do Stephanie Wanjiru. Wanjiru.
Hi everyone.
Hi.
So far so good. I'm working on grouping by the top 5 hashtags, which has been quite a challenge for me at this point. But I'm still googling and trying to understand how I can go about it. So I'm still stuck there, but I hope by the end of the day I'll have finished by today. So yeah, thank you.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you say you've reached in terms of completion?
Given I still have plotting to do and reporting, maybe a 7 or a 7.
7. Okay. I would encourage you to reach out for help, so that you'll be sure to finish before or by Sunday. Okay.
Okay.
Sure. Let's do Lawal.
Hi everyone.
Hi.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay, so it has been an amazing experience trying to iteratively solve the problems. I mean, that's the most enjoyable part of the whole thing. Because you know that, okay, what I want to do now is I need the likes, number of likes for all these guys I've been able to script for this website. And I don't know how to do it. Okay, now I have to Google. How can I get the likes out of this set of data I have? If I can't get it through Google, then come to the Slack channel. So it's a lot of work then, but it's interesting. So that's the experience. It's challenging, but I'm finding it interesting. And well, I believe I should be able to complete the challenge by Sunday. What is the
Sunday. Okay. So on a scale of 1 to 10,
so yeah, thank
where
you
are
very
you?
much to the whole 10 academic team.
On a scale of 1 to 10, where are you in terms of completion?
Well, I would like to make myself happy. I will say hate.
Okay. Sure. That's good to know. All right.
Thank you.
Let's do Claire. Oh, I think you've spoken already. Adnan Hadi. Adnan Hadi.
Hello, good afternoon, guys. Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
So for this week, I've not really been in the right mood, so I'm seriously lagging behind. I started the challenge kind of late. I think I started on Tuesday or Wednesday, and then I figured out that the best thing I can do for myself is to always be on top of the schedule. So although I'm sure to finish, I will surely finish the challenge before the deadline. And on a scale of 1 to 10, I think I'm on a 5.
Okay. Then you have to push hard a bit more
Yeah, surely I
so
will.
that you're able to. Yeah. Okay. Sure. Thank you. Rofia Adeshina. Sorry if I'm butchering your name.
Okay, no problem. Hi, good afternoon.
Hi.
Okay, so at first it was a little bit difficult for me because like I was my first time dealing with so many things. I had to Google a lot. I had to ask people on this Slack for help when I was stuck, but eventually I started getting a head rate. Like I had to like write everything I wanted to do down, then start taking it step by step. That was when I was eventually able to make sense of everything and start working. But so far, I've been able to scrape the data from the website and I'm getting the tweets and all the data I need from the Twitter. I think that's where I'm at right now.
Okay. Fantastic. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you place yourself in terms of completion?
I'll place myself on a 6 because I
Okay.
still have some data to get from Twitter. I have my report to write. So
Okay. And you are way on track to finish by Sunday?
hopefully, yes.
Okay. All right. Fantastic. Thank you for sharing.
Thank you.
All right. Can we have Evelyn? Can we have Evelyn?
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes.
Um, I'll say I'm still doing the challenges, trying to extract data from the Twitter handles and everything. Yeah, but I'm doing my best to get to extract all that data I can download and be able to move forward. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would scale myself at 5. Yeah.
Okay. So that means there's a lot more you have to complete.
Yeah, I still have something to complete, like getting the hashtags and everything. Yeah.
And
And
are you on track to
dropping.
finish it? Are you on track to finish by
Um,
Sunday?
yeah, hopefully I hope yeah, I'll be able to finish by Sunday.
Okay. Please do reach out if you need any help so that you're sure that by Sunday you'll be able to finish the project and then submit it before the deadline.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah,
Okay.
thank you.
Sure, you're welcome. Thank you for sharing too. So we'll take more and then I think we'll wrap up. Janet. Janet.
Yes, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Okay, thank you very much for this time. For me, talking about the challenge, I've been able to download the tweets and get some scores, like popularity scores, reach scores, and get some mentions by now. I'm struggling with getting the top retweets, and hopefully by the end of today I'll be able to get them with the hashtags. Maybe tomorrow I'll be plotting what I have to plot. Yeah, that's all.
On a scale of 1 to 10, where would you place yourself?
I would mark myself at 6.
Okay.
6 out
And
of
are you on track to finish by Sunday?
Yeah, I will.
Okay. Okay, sure. Thank you for sharing. So we'll take the last
Thank
person and then we'll wrap up. Wanjohi. Wamuyu Wanjohi. Are you there?
Yes, I'm here. So I'm glad to hear from everyone. I got the tweets and I got the mentions and everything. So now I'm at sorting and getting the mentions and the retweets. So I've still got a lot of work to do, but I enjoy high pressure. So I think the next couple of days will be quite interesting for me. On a scale of 1 to 10, 5. Yeah, I'm at a 5. It's not even a strong 5, but I believe the next couple of days there's a lot I can do, and there's a lot I will do. Yeah.
Okay. All right, sure. Thank you. Mustafa, do you have anything to say? Oh, I think his network is down. Okay, guys, thank you so much for sharing. I wouldn't want to take much of your time because you have a lot to do. So definitely feel free to reach out if you are stuck, just as you've been doing. And good luck with the rest of the work you have to do. Thank you for joining the call, and I think it's a bye for now. Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay, I want to say thank you to everyone. Thank you to Sebastian Daki. Thank you to Jane. Thank you to Mustafa. Thank you to everyone who has been like making sure that we are learning. And I think I'm missing one person. Everyone, Mr. Arun, Mr. Ibabel. I'm very grateful. Thank you so much. And Prosper.
Sure, thank you.
Yeah, Prosper. Oswald. Thank you. Thank you.